Xiaomi is working on a new Redmi Note, which will be known as the 11S. Xiaomi, a smart technology company, has unveiled a new smartphone in its Note series portfolio. Xiaomi's expected price is $335. Let's have a look at the specs of this chipset. The smartphone has an octa-core processor inside Xiaomi's Redmi Note 11S to make the gadget ultra-speedy. The upcoming smartphone will run Android 11, the most recent version of operating system. The smartphone's display screen measures 6.43 inches and offers a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels to the user. The new Xiaomi Redmi Note features an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which is the most up-to-date and well-known for its excellent performance. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 11S smartphone will have a massive RAM capacity of 6 GB. The device's chipset and RAM size indicate that the user will be able to complete tasks with this smartphone in seconds. The Xiaomi Note 11S has 128 GB of internal storage, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future usage. This smartphone comes in 3 colors: graphite gray, pearl white, and twilight blue. The smartphone has a triple camera configuration on the back. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S will have a 108-megapixel f1.9 wide sensor, an 8-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide sensor, a 2-megapixel f2.4 macro sensor, and a 2-megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. The phone's selfie camera has 16 megapixels with a f2.4 wide aperture to make snapping selfies easier and more beautiful. The smartphone contains a fingerprint reader to protect the data stored on the device and only allow authorized users to use it. The Redmi Note 11S will be powered by a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging capability. This smartphone's GPU is Mali G57MC2. In addition, this smartphone also has these features such as dual SIM, 90 Hz refresh rate, microSD-XC dedicated slot, LED flashlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS, USB Type-C 2, USB on the go, infrared, NFC, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, proximity and 3.5mm audio jack. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.